Hi, this is Cooking with Tia. Today I'm going to be making Nam sausage. This is the one I got frozen from the store. They come in many sizes. This is, I think, one of the largest one. They have a medium and a small snack size. I think those are my favorite one to kind of munch on. The ingredients I have are pork loin. I'm going to grind it. When you get this, try to take all the fat out because you really need it lean, really no fat. And this is pork skin at the Asian store. This is a small one. Some people have thick one. And then I have the Nam powder right here. Then I have garlic, fresh pepper. Well, it's frozen now, fresh frozen. And then to garnish, I have this, the Vietnamese coriander. It says rau rum. And then for seasoning, I have MSG, salt, and sugar. And then for the, give it that, I use a food coloring a little bit, couple drops. So give it that pink kind of texture. You know, the color says red, but it doesn't really, it's not the true red. So. It's really lean. I cut off the fat. I have the pork skins kind of frozen a little bit thaw. I just kind of want to dip it in hot water so it's softened up. I'm boiling in my hot pot. There's 3 packets in here. And see how it comes really long? When you want to put it in there, you want to cut it up with the scissor or kind of chop it a little bit small pieces. If not, you're going to have big old long skins. See how this is not overcooked? It's not too sticky. I think if you really overcooked it, it'd be really sticky because I did that before. So it's kind of loose here. That's how it should be. I'm gonna start mixing my Nam. This is 6 pounds of ground pork, very lean. I ground it myself. So I don't know how much, but I'm gonna guess. Okay, I'm not gonna use it all. This is about 1, 2, 3, I'll use 4, it's just way too much. This was like 12 cloves of garlic, so maybe use 10. So about that much. And then I'm going to use a tablespoon of MSG. So if you make a pound, just cut it out. Cut a portion. This is sugar. Use 1. Maybe sweet, let's use 2. 6 pounds here. And then salt, I'll use 1 because I think the Nam powder has it already. Use 1 tablespoon. And then in this Nam, it comes in, I cut it. It also came with extra seasoning. Don't put this little packet in. This is the last one you want to put in because I think this part makes it sticky for the pork skin when you're mixing. So I'm just going ahead and pour all this in. This is 6-pack. Okay, I'm gonna mix it first and I'll put the pork skin in and also the food coloring kind of once I get it all mixed first. Mix it really good. Let me get 2 of it. Easier to mix one. It's kind of hard in one hand. Now I'm going to mix in the pork skin and the food coloring. Before you do, I think it's best to put the food coloring in a little bit, a couple of drops. Do about 6 drops. Let's try that and see how it looks. Yeah, I should just get the black lead better. Okay, there. That's better. See how I mix it's kind of pink, give it a pretty color like this. Just a tad. If you want a little more food coloring, you want a little more pink, you can add. Okay, it's all mixed. See the pretty it is? The pinkish, light pink, a little more coral looking. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the pork skin in now. Just add a little bit of thyme, mix it in. See, look, even I cut up, there's some big chunks in there. Kind of separate it. I mean, it depends on you. Some people like a lot of skin or a little bit, you know, or the bigger skin. Chewy, it gives it more chewy texture. Now I'm going to put that little packet in. This little 6 packet here. Seems like a lot of salt preservative, this thing. Here we go. This is where it's going to get kind of sticky. Nam pork in a little roll. Use saran wrap. I think in the old days in Laos they would put it in, wrap it in bamboo or one that's pandan leaf or kind of this elephant ear leaf something to preserve it. Okay, I think it's ready. And I'm just gonna put it in a pan and let it sit. They said 24 hours be edible. I'm gonna put it for 2 days. Okay, the nam's ready to go. Look at it. All the pork skin. I'm gonna put in this pan. Now, I might need to use 2 pans. That's too thick, so another pan. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna go with 2 pan. There we go. We'll just cover it with the parchment paper. Let it sit for 2 days. We'll see. I'm sprinkling in some garlic, and then here and there, and then some pepper. Because then I'm gonna cut these like a cake and kind of a cube to eat it. And I'll also add this later when I'm done wrapping it for the garnishment. So I'm gonna put a bag of rice over it, mash it down, something heavy. It's like a 10-pound here. Nope, just let it sit out for 2 days. You don't need to put it in the refrigerator. I think once it's cured, then you put in the refrigerator. It's sticky already. This one's just a little skinny, a little bit more. It's hard to tell how much you got. Push in. Pepper disappeared in there. 2 days later, here's the somu of my nam pork. I put in the tray here. Let me take it out. I kind of smush it with the rice, something heavy. And I'm just gonna cut these into cubes, either serve it or wrap it. That's what it looks like. It's ready to eat. Here's the one I already made. We already ate some of it already. These are, I rolled it up. And this is gonna go into Nam Khao. I'm gonna make some fried rice, this one.